Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at Avis Toronto Pearson Airport, and it's a busy long weekend. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click on the like button and we'll get started here. Alright, in the Avis Preferred Upgrade, we got a couple Escapes and a smaller Mazda. And what do we got down here? Actually, well, this is all upgrade, I guess. Okay, so we got a smaller, I think there's a BMW X1 here. Got a Ford Explorer. Compact Chevy. Those are Chevy Aveos. Nissan Rogue. Another BMW coming through here. Mazda maybe CX-5. Mitsubishi SUV. And there's some more Rubicons here. Gladiator. And then just the regular Gladiator. Man, they got a bunch of Gladiators. A couple more down there. We got down at the end. We got a Ford Explorer. We got one of those Ram pickup trucks, and we got a Yukon further over. And we just go through some of these preferred aisles. Ooh, we got a Challenger GT. If we looked at the gray one before, burgundy interior. I have a feeling we maybe looked at this one already. It's one of my favorites. Let me just take a. Ooh, this is nice with the burgundy. Interior. It's got a few miles on it, 34,000, so about a little over 20,000 miles on it. We got another Gladiator here. Mazda CX-3, got an XT5, compact Chevy, and we'll just go over again. Avis and Budget are the same company, so if you're renting with a budget, they would probably just pull something out of here. I don't think they really set aside any vehicles for budget. Maybe further down they might. Okay, so we got a soft top Wrangler there. And a couple more compact SUVs. You know what, I'll quickly do the other side here. Just pan around at the end. Got a Hyundai Elantra. A couple more SUVs. A couple compact cars. Just take a quick walk down to the end here. Start panning over. There's somebody picking up over there. I don't want to film them. And I've got another Mazda. And I've got a couple more kind of squeezed in here. And over at the Avis booth. Okay, we got another these small Mitsubishis, Hyundai. Not as many cars here. It is the long weekend. An Audi Q3. And just, I did actually check, so Avis doesn't put the car class on the barcode like National Enterprise Alamo do. And just pan around these more customers coming through here. Got a Corolla, got a VW Golf, Tucson, Chrysler 300, another my favorite with sunroof. And down there they got a BMW and a Mustang convertible. Got a Trailblazer. Another thing I noticed, some of the cars have the printed slip in the windshield, so I think when they do that, they've been assigning them to somebody. And we got a couple more compacts, Corolla, and we got a Tacoma down at the end, TRD 4x4 Sport. Yeah, we'll just go through a couple more. There's more Avis Budget. We got some people taking that smaller car. Ooh, here comes a Wagoneer. Actually, I saw one of those in the returns. Actually, in all fairness, Avis does have a bunch of cars in returns they're pulling out. This one's probably going over the car wash. You can hear the V8 Hemi in that. And we got a couple more compact SUVs, Corolla, and Elantra down at the end. And if I pan down, you know what, I'm going to take a look at this Grand Cherokee. Looks nice. So I've got some extra trim on the front, a spoiler. You know, it's got some kind of spoiler or something on it here. Ooh, I like this. Looks like maybe tan interior with a white. And this is Summit Edition. It's got the backup sensors. This looks pretty loaded. Ooh, this would be a fun one to have. Yeah, again with the, well, this one's locked. Can't show you inside, but it's kind of like a tan interior. Oh, Jesus, even got the screens in the back. I wish I could show you inside, but I can see the inputs for the screens, but yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's one on the, definitely on the, yeah, it's locked. Wow, this has probably got everything on it, especially if it's got the, like the TV screens on the headrests on the back. Okay, we got a Santa Fe, Mazda, Mitsubishi. Somebody pan around, there's some people picking up a car over there. Okay, we got a Nissan Murano. Another, is Santa Fe? I always get these mixed up. This isn't the Palisade, is it? Oh, okay, so that is definitely Santa Fe. And, oh, actually, you know, that Wagoneer is leaving. Oh, man, they didn't even wash it. Or maybe he's just taking it over to the wash and he's got to wait in line with everybody else. And then this blue Mustang that's always down here. Okay, the rest in there is all returns. And then this is the line to get out again. I guess that's just the way it is with Avis. Probably just a staffing shortage. Oh, look at that. So that Wagoneer has the screens in the back. Oh, man. I don't know if you guys can probably see that, but maybe as he drives past. Oh, yeah, that's two of the screens in the back. Okay, good to know. Anybody renting a Wagoneer out here, you might get the screens in the back. Okay, I think that's going to wrap things up. Thanks, everyone, for watching. And just a quick reminder again, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click on that like button. And I'm going to end things here. If you want to stay tuned, I'm just going to walk down and quickly film the Mustang and the BMW here. All right, see you guys in the next one.